Hello friends, and welcome to my video. If this is your first time to my channel, I do a lot of clothing unboxing videos. And by a lot of, I mean that's literally all I've done so far. Most of them are subscription styling service boxes, but occasionally I have a shopping haul type video. I've got some thread up and wish videos coming up, so those should be fun. I also do Stitch Fix unboxing, Nadine West unboxing, things like that, and some lesser known subscription services. So today like I said, I'm doing Nadine West. I enjoy Nadine West because they are more affordable clothing items, and I appreciate that, and it's fun to get something that doesn't hurt the pocketbook so much. Now they typically send clothing and jewelry, so it's usually a couple clothing items, couple jewelry items. I'm not as into getting jewelry, but you know, it is nice to get a variety, and it does get me considering buying more jewelry, which is fun. Nadine West doesn't have a styling fee, but they do have a shipping fee, so you do pay $9.78 or something like that each time you get a shipment. You can do it every 2 weeks or 4 weeks. I recently bought mine up to 2 weeks because I'm just struggling to wait for things. I just get really excited. I'm excited to open this, so let's give it a whirl. You do have to be careful when opening this package because this is your return bag. They just send you a new label to slap on over the old label to send it back. All right, let's pull out the bundle. So we have a very soft gray piece and another very soft navy piece. Let's see what we've got. Okay, first up, we have a dress. I've never gotten a dress from them. It is a very soft, it has longer sleeves on it. I kind of like that versus a cap sleeve. It is the Elite dress, Elite, I guess. And it looks like looks kind of tiny, you know, kind of a higher waist on it and kind of a little bit of a flare skirt. Hopefully it's not too short on me, but we shall see. And then we've got a kind of a burnout tee with a choker neck on it, which I do not have anything that's a choker neck yet. I've been interested in that. My issue, you know, I went on Pinterest to look for choker necks, and it seems like every single one has like a super deep V, like major cleavage V. So we'll see, you know, how deep this V is. But again, very soft. This is the Popular 21 shirt. Then we have the jewelry, which again, I just get less excited about this, but maybe something will wow me. And this is like a bronze and green bracelet. I'll hold that up here. And that's cute. It's fine. And then we have, oh, I'm not a fan of this necklace. This is like costume jewelry. This is what little girls find that used to be their grandma's, and they play dress up in it. I can't even get this necklace untangled. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it is, I guess we would call this a statement necklace. I'll just hold that up for you to see. I do not love this. This is not my style, but again, we will try it all on. First up, we have the burnout tee, and I like it. It's comfortable. The V is quite deep and a little bit deeper than I like. I do like the choker neck on it. Makes the whole tee more interesting. My biggest issue with this is it just seems large. It's a small instead of an extra small, and it just seems to have a whole lot of extra room. So I don't really think it's a keeper. Let's try on the dress now. Next up, we have the dress, and I love it. I feel like it fits great. It's super soft. It has a longer short sleeve on it, which I like. Fits well up here, not too tight or anything back here. I just love it, not too short even. I just think it's a really, really cute dress, and I love it. I put the necklace on with it, and we're gonna give this necklace a it doesn't look as bad as I thought, but still, it just seems like a weird, gaudy piece of jewelry. Not into it. But the dress, love it. Okay, let's talk about prices. So the choker necklace tee, that is $16.49. This dress is $32.99. The necklace is $16.99, and the bracelet, which I didn't get to try on because it was basically tacked down to the piece of paper it came on, that is $12.19. The only item I'm going to keep is this dress. I was hoping it was kind of in the 20 something. Still, 33 isn't terrible. It's a comfortable dress. I'm probably going to be wearing this quite a bit because it's easy, something to slip on in the summer and wear out, and I really like it. So I would say this is another successful Nadine West. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more like it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like it as well. And I appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. Okay, thanks. Bye.